The future is yours to make. All of your making. Will it bring self-assembling buildings and bionic exoskeletons? Apartments that reconfigure at the push of a button? Buildings that breathe? New ways to generate power? That's what the Autodesk Technology Centers are here to explore. We provide space and technology to discover the future of making to diverse teams from industry, universities and startups. And together, reimagine. Reimagine what it means to design and make. We find the edge. Push it. A dynamic group of industrial, academic and entrepreneurial teams. Our community thrives in the spaces in between. Hypothetical and physical. Theoretical and experiential. Exploring new directions and challenging business and industry norms. From industrialized construction to advanced manufacturing to generative design. Uncover new possibilities. From concrete to wood to steel to carbon fiber. Implement new techniques to solve the challenges of today and tomorrow. We invite you to take control of the future by participating in it, by creating it. This is the opportunity of better. This is where the future of making takes shape.